Hey friends, if you wish to rename files and folders on your Windows computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the process. So here's the reason people have a confusion with it. Because let us say it is a file or a folder. When we right click on it, we do not see the option to rename it. Earlier we did, now we do not. Actually, it has been shifted to the top. So you can click on this option and rename it, or you can right click on it. So you don't need to right click on it, just click on it and press F2 and you will be able to rename it. I will name it again, rename to. And the same goes with files. Okay, you can just right click on the file and you can rename it. Okay, and hit enter. Or again, you can just press F2 and you can rename it. This is how it is done. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.